Right, the 106 pillage target with covenants. I'm going to wait for it to all start up. I don't know if we're going to have these next time. This is my last day of doing them because I'm off for a few days. But, basically group the ships, come down on this building here, let the splash get that, come across, take some of these buildings out, but not the turret. Get to the angle so as you've got them in lined up, these two turrets lined up, or reasonably so. Across here, give it the 10-second. Well, it more or less takes 10 seconds, but you have to allow the weapon to recharge for 10 seconds. Should have recharged. There we go. Right, just up a little tad. Make sure the 10 seconds elapse. Get them lot out. Now take this ship out. Up here just out the way of these. Get ready for it turning. Come down. Get the ship. And this turret at the same time. I'll now allow it the 10 seconds to charge up. I do come around this way now because if I come in that way I get all the turrets at once, and I have to be careful to stay out of range of certain ones at certain times, so I just find it easier to do this. And back again into the middle. And come down to take this island out, but watch don't get into the range of that too close. Alright, now the 10 seconds to recharge. Now across the bottom here, that one on the periphery, line these up. Alright, now just get out of the way of this one, so it's not firing at you while you're just recharging. So it doesn't take that one out altogether, but often does. Now take the ship out. And now, across to this middle island. Have a bit of a drive round, get the angle, come down, get this building, another drive round, get the angle. Make sure you've got 10 seconds elapses. Right. Drive round, get the angle, try and get this turret. Alright, that's left it just nice because it's left this building as well, so back round this island. And then just drive up to there. And that should be job done on that repair. I think you've all seen me build before now. It's 4 damaged ships and 1 anti-ship. That's been posted on the page a few times. 2 minutes damage. But I'll just show it you, the build. I'll take it into the base and show you the build. Come on. Get in base. So, the build, basically there's 4 of these. Well, this is the flag, but all weapons, mixture of armours, an equal mix. The AUKUS engine, anima battery, combustion system 2, that gives you extra splash on the built-in weapon. Biomass console, with targeting console, and liquid fire warheads. The rest should all be the same, apart from the anti one, which should be my 5th ship. That's where I keep it. And that one's got 5 Gales on, and 1 missile defense 3, and a couple of normal weapons. Again, it's ammos. Different engine. Oh, it's not. It's the AUKUS engine on this. I did change the build because I did have another engine that gave extra speed for the weapons. So, sightseeing sensor, which gives projectile speed. Yeah, that thing. Projectile speed again. Projectile speed. Projectile speed. And the mermaids, and that's just for the antis to make them work better. So that's it. Basically, projectile speed on this is, I know it's somewhere around there, 245, 245% projectile speed. There we go.